durian has ripened to perfection. A child must be able to judge which branches can carry her weight. And which insect nests are safe to raid. Building up a complete guide to the foods of the forest is a long process. Her lessons, of course, aren't limited to food. There are other crucial skills she must learn if she is to survive in the treetops. Building a secure nest in which to spend the night, for example, takes years of practice. And this is, of course, a rainforest. So all orangs must learn how to make a shelter early in their lives. It rains almost every day, so this 6-year-old has already had plenty of practice. She might live to be 50 years old, and if she too becomes a mother, she'll pass on all this expertise to her own children.